Hey guys, welcome back. Look who's in the shop today.
Came for a visit.
It's Jesse. So Jesse and I are going to talk about a few things. Then I'm going to show him the tool. Remember the video I made for Jesse? It was posted what, a month ago or something like that. Eh?
Yeah.
And maybe you could just show the viewers how that's going to help you.
Absolutely, for sure.
So how have things been with you, Jesse?
Things have been good. Been working away.
How's your business?
Good. Getting busier and busier by the day. I've been 7 days a week for the last 6 months, so it's been steady.
What did you do in the pandemic?
I kept working.
Yeah.
Kept working. I didn't.
7 days a week, eh?
Yeah. I didn't stop. I got heated shop this year.
Oh,
so
awesome. Well, you didn't have a heated shop before?
No, there was a not as big as now. Now it's a propane heater, so it heats it up pretty quick. I keep it above freezing 24/7, so
yeah,
that's nice.
So what's your favorite stuff to work on?
I'll work on anything. If I can reach it, I fix it. That's what I go by.
So is there a type of equipment you like better than others to work on?
I like the Honda stuff is nice. Obviously, it's simple. It's well made.
Like the GX.
The GX
motors.
The GCV or whatever you call it.
Yeah.
They're a little bit lesser made, but they're still all right.
Great. So what we'll do, Jesse, is the tool to work on carburetors.
Yeah.
I've got it in the vise here in the shop.
Yeah.
And I've got a carburetor, so we'll bring you up to the vise here, and I'll get you to try it out. Okay?
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah, come on over.
Take forward in here.
Oh, I'll move some stuff here.
No, I don't want to run anything over on you.
So I've got it here on the GX 160 cards.
Yeah, that is perfect because I can just undo the wing nut.
And you know what, Jesse? Like, if you get generators with the smaller carb,
they'll fit.
It all fits. Yep. It all fits. So
that's perfect.
And we've decided that the wing nuts might be better for you.
Yeah, that way I don't have to use a socket or a wrench to.
Yeah. Are you able with your hands to? How would that go for you?
Yeah, I can do that. Obviously.
I'll get them out here. Well, let's get you set up here.
Okay. At my shop, it would be
a
little bit lower, obviously.
Oh yeah, you've got all your benches set up for you, eh? Yeah.
That's perfect.
Do you want me to have here? I'll just put my hand underneath. Oh, good. So
and then you can put the carb on there.
Yeah. Here, I'll grab the wing nut from you.
Okay.
And here's the carburetor. There's the carb.
And
yeah. Take your time. It's not a contest, so you can take your time.
Are we lined up there? It's hard for me to see over there.
There you go.
There we are.
So you can line it up like this if you want. You know, if you want to work on the top.
Yeah, that is perfect.
But you could also
tip it over.
Like, let's say we flip it around like this.
Yeah.
It'll be more level.
I see.
You see what I mean?
Yeah, I see.
It'll be more level if you want to work on, you know, that little jet.
Pilot jet or
that little jet here we were talking about that you remove.
Yeah.
And if you want it upside down, Jesse, you can just pull it out.
And tip it over.
And then you'll get the bowl.
That's fantastic.
So, there we go, yeah.
Thank you very much.
And then here, I'll just put these and you can maybe turn them in.
Yeah, just start them up so I don't drop them on you.
Yeah, I dropped them too. So. And I'll get you a 10mm wrench here to take the bowl off.
Sure.
Okay. So just show us how this is going to help you.
That's perfect.
And you don't need to put them tight, eh? Like, yeah, see, even that's enough. Yeah. Perfect. This is probably higher than what it should be for Jesse, so this is not the ideal condition, but it's just going to give you guys an example here of how this will help him. So here's the 10 mil, and you know that'd be perfect when you take off the bowl on the carb. Is a ratchet better for you? Or
Either or.
Yeah, there you go. Just about in there. Yep.
That's just perfect.
There you go. Yeah, and probably
it'd be much lower.
Yeah, and maybe closer.
That is perfect.
But but you'll be able to use it.
That is absolutely 100% amazing. Thank you very much again, Don.
Yeah, no problem. It's my pleasure to do that. But I also did this, Jesse, to encourage people that are watching, if they have ideas, if they want to make you something, to just go ahead and.
Well, thank you very much. We'll make sure that there's a way to contact me at the end of the video. And you can, I will apologize for the lack of YouTube videos.
Oh, no problem. No problem.
It's hard to film when I'm using both hands, but on my Instagram there, it's more up to date. So. No problem.
And with this tool, Jesse, if you flip it around like I showed in the video, you can do the bigger
390 carburetors.
Yes, and you're also going to be able to do the big generator carburetors.
Right.
You know, the ones with the solenoid at the bottom. So hopefully it'll
make it much easier for me. Thank you, Don.
Definitely. So we're gonna end off this one video here, Jesse. We're gonna make another video here, but people might be wondering, where is RJ? Remember RJ came last time?
Yes, he came last time, and I still speak to RJ every day and see him every weekend, but he couldn't make it today because he had a wedding to go to.
Oh, okay.
And you don't see RJ dressed up too much, it's a rarity. But I didn't want to take him away from that, so I had somebody else drive me today.
So what I'll do is remember the video we made a few years ago?
Yeah.
It'll be in the video description of this video. And maybe you guys who haven't seen that video, you should go watch it. It'll
go watch it, give it a like and a subscribe to Don's channel.
And you'll see who RJ is at the same time.
Yep.
Okay, thanks for watching, guys. If you can do anything to help Jesse with any contraption to make his life easier, that would be appreciated as well.
Thank you guys very much.
And also, if they want to get a hold of you,
I'll give you my email to put in the description of the video, as well as my Instagram.
Okay, it'll be in the video description if you want to contact him directly. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you.
Have a great day.